Well, hello again. In this tutorial, quick walkthrough, mini tutorial, we are going to do something like this here. There's a couple of images we will create, and you may have seen some of that. Dan posted that on the Facebook group for Dog Waffle. This little video here is sort of a slideshow going through some of the key elements of that composition. And it's important to get an idea of how the composition is going to be structured, like 1/3 at the top for the sky, 2/3 for the landscape, or the other way. Sometimes you focus more on the sky and you want 2/3 for the sky. We are going to want to see some reflection of the sky, so we're going to do something in the water to show as well. So we want to see more of the landscape with some water. One thing I did is I extracted these different frames. There's an elevation map, there's a texture map, there's a sky. We will create that. We will render the landscape with either one of the default skies, or maybe just a plain blue or something that we can use for blue screen compositing. If it's unique enough, we can probably do that here too, or we can do a gradient selection so that we simply select roughly down to the horizon, and below that will not be overwritten by our sky, which in the end will look something like this. Alright, let's get started. Actually, before we do that, let's just take a look at some of the finished renderings that we might develop. One of them here, this one is an animation. And so you'll see this one actually uses also our own sky. Howler comes with a lot of skies presets, but we can easily add our own. We can even make it an animated cloud, like here we have some animated sky or cloud patterns, and it's reflecting at the bottom on the water. Let me see this one here. Actually, that may have been it. Now we're just flying through that a little bit closer. You can see some refractions, some reflections, some caustics, some interesting looking waters. All right, let's get started.